Welcome in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject. Chapter number 12, Social Evils according to Gandhi. Gandhiji was an apostle of truth and non-violence. For him, truth was God. We cannot be called truthful only because we do not say lies. There should be truth in thoughts, truth in speech, and truth in action. Gandhiji considered truth as the source of character. It is the foundation of all things that are good and great. Any activity, however great it be, will not make you great if there is no truth in you. Every action of Gandhiji was based on truth. Spirituality and politics, economics and religion need truth as their source if they should have any credibility or value. Any activity that lacks integrity and truth is evil for Gandhiji. He identified 7 social evils prevalent in society. These 7 social evils are: 1. Politics without principle. 2. Wealth without work. 3. Pleasure without conscience. 4. Knowledge without character. 5. Commerce without morality. 6. Science without humanity. 7. Worship without sacrifice. So, my dear students, in this chapter, according to opinion of Gandhiji as a leader of truth, non-violence, only speaking truth is not enough. When we are thinking, when we are giving speech, whatever functions we are doing, we have to be in favor of truth. All the functions we have to do with a truthfulness. Our character must be truth. Our foundation can be good and great. Then and then, whatever we are doing, everything we can do truth. Whether spirituality and politics, economics and religion, according to opinion of Gandhiji, in every matter we have to do truth. If we are not doing everything with the truth, then many social evils can be created and society can be spoiled. And here 7 social evils are there. One by one, individually, we are going to discuss. Number 1, politics without principle. For Gandhiji, politics was a means to serve people. It was never meant to satisfy one's own lust for power and fame. He disliked divisive politics. He did not approve the way politicians used caste, creed, and religion to come to power. In our society, politics is all about blaming others. The ruling party blames the opposition parties. Opposition parties blame the ruling party. None of them is really interested in the well-being of people. Gandhi considered such kind of politics as an evil. Many people consider politics as the pathway to power. and they follow it relentlessly without any integrity or morality. People do not hesitate to leave one party to join other parties they were opposing so far. When they are in opposition, they criticize the government for its actions. When they come to power, they repeat the same mistakes. Gandhiji considered such a politics as politics without principle. A principle is an idea for which one must be ready to sacrifice one's own life. Sacrificing the principle for the sake of one's own gain is a sin. Such people cannot lead society. So, my dear students, you see, in the first evil, politics without a principle, it is said, according to the opinion of a Gandhiji, politics means to provide service to people. Is it going on like that? Nowadays, you see, election is going. Most probably, politicians, they are using caste, creed, religion, and they are trying to get what power. Like that, we can say, in the politics, they are blaming to each other. Ruling party blames opposition party. Opposition party blames ruling party. What is the meaning of it? Nobody is ready to do the work of well-being of the people, and that is not good. Like that, if they are getting power, meaning is like that, they are doing social evils. They are doing wrong activity. That means no morality. Nowadays we are seeing, some leaders are leaving their own party and joining with other party, and that is also not fair. Whenever they are in opposition, they are blaming. When they are coming in power, then same mistakes they are repeating. So, what is the meaning of it? Even Gandhiji also is saying, like this politics without principle, not good. Principle is an idea for which one must be ready to sacrifice one's own life. Without sacrificing, if they want to gain, that is a sin. It is not good. So, my dear students, up to here we are keeping. Thank you very much.